Today we're going to be reviewing the Bosch Unlimited 10 stick vacuum. This has a very unique design. It has a bendable tube, a flex tube as they call it, to get into hard to reach places. In this review, we'll talk about everything that you get with it. We'll put it together, and then I'm going to make an absolute mess in my living room, because what better way to test a vacuum out than to make a mess and then clean it up afterwards. We'll also test out that bendable flex tube, see if it does really help clean hard places, and then the accessories. We're gonna go ahead and clean my couch and even the corners of my carpet. Finally, once that's all done, we're gonna empty out that waste bin to show you how you could empty it into the garbage without creating a whole big dust storm when it comes out. So folks, if you're in the market for a vacuum, you are in for a treat as we begin this review of the Bosch Unlimited 10. Let's start with the unboxing. This is everything that you get out of the box. You see that there are accessories. You can mount this onto the wall to make it easy to charge as well. But for this demonstration, we're gonna get right into it and we're gonna put it together. Now you notice that long flex tube. You can put the accessories on that as well. But since we're gonna start with the carpet, I'm gonna put on that head and get it ready to go for the first time operation. Now, let's talk about this multicolored display because this is unique. I've never seen this on a vacuum. Now, it's not a touch display, but they have buttons that kind of come up. You have those physical buttons that I'm using right now, but then you see there's check marks and these other toggling buttons based upon the different modes. There's 6 different cleaning modes. There's an auto mode, but there's even tutorials to tell you how to clean the dust box, as they call it, and also the filter. So if you lose suction, it tells you right there. Whoever thought of this is a genius, knowing that most people don't keep the manual. Now let's talk about step 1. If I'm gonna test a vacuum, I gotta create a mess. Now the folks over at Bosch are so confident in this vacuum that they gave me a whole box of stuff to throw onto my carpet. So let's go one-on-one with everything that they're giving. The first one, I'm opening it up, looks like fluff. You know, if you have a dog and it gets into your furniture or your pillows, you know, that fluffy material. This is a kind of a granule, looks like sugar, or it could be salt or something like that. We'll just go ahead and sprinkle that everywhere on the carpet and make a nice mess. You can kind of see it too, which I like. Finally, these look like grains. So if you have like young kids, you know, kids are gonna spill their cereal everywhere. So why don't we go ahead and just do that in my living room? It felt so weird to create this mess, but that's how you test the carpet performance. So we're gonna go ahead and test out the Bosch U10 for the very first time. And I can tell you, those LED lights make it super easy to see all the mess. I love when you could hear everything being sucked into the vacuum. Super easy to use. If you've used a stick vacuum, you're gonna be very comfortable with it. It's got a little bit of weight to it when you're on the carpet, and that's because of the resistance. But all in all, very easy to function. Now, to get underneath those couches, there we go with the bend. Quick button, and then you can put it into that bendable flex tube. And it makes it super easy and convenient to get in those hard to reach places. This is German engineering. You could tell an engineer from Germany was cleaning his house one day and decided, you know what, I could design a better stick vacuum. And that's exactly what they did over here. So once you're done, I'm done with that big, huge clean of the carpet after making it a big mess. You can see that that dustbin or that dust box, whatever they call it, is completely full, beyond full at this point. So we're gonna have to talk about emptying the dustbin. I'm gonna go outside onto the back deck and show you how this is done, because you can see there's a button there that opens it up, but then there's this other slider to push all of that debris out. And what they're saying is that by doing it this way, they're gonna enable it so that you don't create a dust cloud when you're emptying it. So let's try that out and see if a dust cloud comes out. So boom, just a quick function, you push it down and everything is nice and clean from there. Super easy to empty the dustbin. Very good design there. Again, German engineering at its finest. Let's look at some of the accessory performances. So we got this accessory, which is great for cleaning couches. You could use this. They even have a car mode inside of one of the modes inside there, but this makes it super easy to clean mattresses and what have you. Now I'm gonna go with this little corner piece, and I'm just gonna take this opportunity to clean my living room might as well while we're creating this review. So I'm gonna go ahead, and it's been a long time since I've got in there and clean all those crevices inside of the couch. You know, the stuff that kind of just falls in to those cracks. Now let's go and talk about the Hardwood Performance, because it doesn't just do carpet. You could use it for hardwood as well. Like I said, there are 6 modes, but there's an auto mode. And once I go onto the carpet here, it detects that I'm on carpet, switches the mode. In terms of just the overall navigation of using this, you can just see it pivots around different kinds of structures. Super easy to clean. One thing I will say is if you're using this on like hard surfaces, it's much easier to perform because it just kind of rolls effortlessly. When you are on carpet, depending on how thick that carpet is, you're gonna get a little bit of resistance. So it does require a little more effort when you're on carpet as opposed to hardwood. But if you have a home that has both, this is the type of stick vacuum you want, especially if you have hard places like furniture and you want to use that bendable flex tube. It just makes cleaning so much easier. And I just can't help but think as I was cleaning my house that there was a German engineer who was probably cleaning his house one day and decided, you know what? I need to make a better design and just make a bendable flex tube so I can get under in these hard to reach places. And just with that one button, you can turn it into a flexible stick vacuum. It's just great German engineering. I'm just admiring the fact that somebody came up with this good idea. And we went for so long without something like this. Why did it take to 2026 till we finally had a stick vacuum that bends? Anyways, folks, I hope you enjoyed this review of the Bosch U10. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.